Hi, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to begin working raglan sleeves, including how to pick up the underarm stitches, place your live sleeve stitches back onto your needles, join in the round, and a few tips and tricks along the way. Begin by picking up the number of underarm stitches specified in your pattern. A great tip is to pick up through the right leg of each V-stitch along the stockinette edge. Keeping your pickups consistent like this creates a cleaner, more even-looking edge. Here, I'm picking up approximately 8 stitches, working through the right leg of each V. Next, carefully cut the scrap yarn holding your sleeve stitches and slip each live stitch back onto your circular needles. You can keep the scrap yarn in place as you do this for extra security, or gently pull it out as you go. Once all of your sleeve stitches are on your needles, use the invisible join to create a clean, seamless-looking transition into the round. To work the invisible join, slip the first stitch from the left needle onto the right needle purlwise. Then, lift the last stitch on the right needle up and over the slip stitch and off the needle, similar to binding off. Gently tighten the yarn and you're ready to begin working in the round. Then join your working yarn. On this first round, I recommend knitting the picked up underarm stitches through the back loop. This slightly twists and tightens those stitches, helping the underarm look a little neater. Then, simply continue knitting around according to your pattern. And don't worry if you still notice a small gap at either side of the underarm. This is very common. To close it, thread a tapestry needle with about 6 inches of matching yarn and weave back and forth across the gap a few times, gently tightening until the opening blends into the surrounding stitches. Secure and weave in the yarn on the wrong side, and you're all set. Place your stitch marker wherever your pattern indicates. Typically, this is at the center of the underarm. So since I have 8 underarm stitches, I'll place my marker after the 4th stitch. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy knitting!